All right, good Thursday morning, everybody. Let's take a look at, actually first, let's just take a look at the daily chart here. So yesterday we came right up to the 200 period moving average here. We're outside gap up this morning, so we're trading above that. We'll see if we can hold above that. And if they get some follow through today. Here's the S&P overnight. Trend is higher. We'll see if this, if we get a pullback at the open, would probably be better. And then if they attempt to break back to the upside, but we'll see. So we're outside gap up in everything. And so everything will have a long bias at the open, as long as we don't trade inside yesterday's highs, which I don't think in the first few minutes they'll be able to do that. All right, so we'll see if there's some true buying pressure here. But they'll have to break out of the no trade zones to the upside. I would say if you're going to attempt the short side on a day like today, you just give it a short leash. It could be one of those 30% days where they fill the gap on an outside gap up, but it doesn't happen often. But if you're going to take your shot, just make sure you're managing your risk and don't be greedy. And we'll see what happens when the market, if we get closer to the open. Right now, the Russell is really the stronger market. Right now, in the S&P is weaker. And hopefully it's not the choppy mess that we saw, early yesterday. All right, so we'll come back just a few minutes before just about a minute before the open. We'll come back and see what we've got. All right, guys, just a moment before the market opens here. You see Russell's stronger, NQ weaker right now. We'll see if that holds up. And we'll see what we get when we open here. Okay, and we are open. Kind of a mixed bag right now. I'm going to turn the Russell on to the long side here and see if we get a run up. Again, we're outside gap up. Sometimes they take off right at the open. And sometimes we get a pullback into 10 o'clock. Kind of hoping everything can kind of get on the same page here. All right, so we will see.
Trade signal log M2K.
All right, there's the long trigger in the Russell. First target just inside the resistance. That's good. We just need everything coming up with it. Because right now it's all by itself. All right, so let's see how things shape up here. Going to need the S&P to come up and start breaking to the upside. Or NASDAQ would help. All right, we got some stuff triggering short here. Again, just give it a short leash on the short side. NQ has been the weakest. That's probably your best shot. So again, it's not the best situation. You got the Russell's trying to be stronger. NQ is weaker. It's going to be a tug of war. It looks like. So we'll see.
Trade signal long M2K.
All right, guys. Well, maybe they're going to make us wait till 10 o'clock before something picks a direction here. Hopefully, we can get that first target in M2K before then. But S&P is really going to start taking out its highs. See the Nasdaq just wasn't able to break out to the upside here, so maybe kind of pull back into 10 o'clock and then see what's what. All right. Well, for better or for worse, we don't know yet, but we got taken out on a trailing stop on 2. So we've lowered our risk here, but our reward has also been lowered here. But given the circumstances, I think we're going to work our way higher here, but who knows? Unfortunately, we weren't able to keep that 2 contracts to the target here if we get up there anyway. But it is what it is. It's just the kind of morning it's been. We got about 12 minutes, 13 minutes before the top of the hour. See if we get some clarity there. All right, it is the witching hour. All right, either they're gonna roll over and die here, or we're gonna get some follow through to the upside. We shall see. Okay, still not looking great here. I mean, look at your Dow; it's just dead. It is just dead. The S&P's come up a little bit, which is good. Our Russell is, come up a little bit. Nasdaq's come up a little bit, but nothing to write home about yet. At least the clarity at 10 o'clock was to at least make a push to the upside here, but nothing spectacular. But at least we picked. Again, it's too bad that we weren't able to take that first two contracts at that target that we just got stopped out, but it did protect us in case things did go against us. We weren't sitting with a full boat and taking a stop on a full boat. So, all right, we'll see where we go from here. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you want, you can download this software for free. Use it as long as you would like in sim mode, and join us in the Discord server. The links are below. We get there about 9 o'clock in the morning before the market opens, and we size up the markets with some of the tools that we have and just try to pick the right market in the right direction, get us on the right side in the morning, and we're pretty much done for the day. So hope that's helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.